Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous Eid makeup tutorial. I uploaded 2 YouTube shorts featuring my Eid makeup for 2022, and this is like a last time smoky glam Eid party look. And for today's look I created this neon green and purple smoky eye look. I wanted something with a little pop-up color and wearable, sophisticated at the same time, and this is what I came up with. I paired it with a beautiful nude lipstick, and not only that, this makeup is very appropriate for summer because the products that I will be using, they are perfect for summer. So yeah, before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and if you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So yeah, I'm starting with my brows, and for that I'm using my Maybelline eyebrow pencil. I think this is Tattoo Studio eyebrow pencil in the shade black brown, and I am drawing the borders of my brows first. Then I'll be filling them up in small hair-like strokes. I am keeping my brows really natural. I do not want that like dramatic effect. And now I am taking my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer in the shade medium sand, and I'm applying it as my eyeshadow primer, and I am just cleaning up the bottom part of my eyebrow because it just makes my eyebrows look really well shaped. I'm not cleaning up that upper part. It's not really needed for today's look. And now I'm blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. To set the concealer in place, I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. And I am using these eyeshadow shields which I got from Amazon because I wanted that sharp edge. Now I am taking this Milani eyeliner pencil. This is basically a purple eyeliner pencil, but when I tried to apply it, I was using it for the first time, by the way. It did not appear to be very purple. So in case you do not have a purple eyeliner pencil, you can definitely go ahead and use your regular black eyeliner pencil, and that will just create the same look. And I am basically creating a rough wing here, and now I am taking this matte purple shade from my NYX Utopia palette, and I am just smudging out that wing that I just created. And I wanted a very dark like outer V area and a little gradation. You will see what I'm talking about. And yeah, I'm just smudging it out. And these eyeshadow palettes are so good, and I feel like they are very underrated, and I do not know why so many people do not talk about them. I have like talked about them in the past as well. The quality is so good. They are pigmented, they blend beautifully, and I think they are better than some of my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes. The quality is top notch and they are affordable at the same time. Now taking the same matte purple shade on my Morphe 456 brush, I'm just blending out the wing even more. And now I am taking this matte brown shade from the palette, and look at the pigment. It's just like one swipe and look at the pigment that I get, but they blend out beautifully. It's not like they're pigmented but they kind of look patchy. No, they blend out beautifully. And yeah, I'm just applying it as my transition color with the help of this large fluffy blending brush from Cara Beauty, which I got from TJ Maxx. And Morphe has a similar brush. It is Morphe M433 brush. If you do not have this particular brush, then you can go ahead and use the Morphe brush as well. Taking that matte dark purple shade on the same Morphe M433 brush, I'm just like dragging it towards my eyelid just a bit, just to create a gradient effect. And you see what I was talking about, the like black dark eyeliner kind of effect on my outer V area, like on the very outer part of my eyes, and then this gradient effect towards my eyelid. I just wanted this particular effect, and I have seen Natasha Denona and Pat McGrath. They are doing the same like technique on their models, and it looks so glam and smoky at the same time. See the gradation that I was talking about? Oh, I just loved it. Now I am taking this beautiful neon green shade from the palette, and look, my brush is dry. I haven't used any eyeshadow base or any like glitter glue or anything, and this is like dry, and see how much pigment I got, and it is so metallic, foiled and reflective. I wanted just a hint of color, that's why I did not wet my brush, otherwise the color would be really intensified, and I did not want that intensified look. See, it is kind of sheer, and that is exactly what I wanted. And when I got this eyeshadow palette, to be very honest, I got this eyeshadow palette just because of this particular green shade. Taking that matte purple shade, I am just applying it right here, just to create even more like gradation and even more smokiness. I am applying the eyeliner again because I lost some of the purple shade, and I just wanted it to be back. I'm smudging it out again using the same like purple shade. And before continuing with my eye makeup further, I'm going to finish my base, and for that first I'm taking my Wet n Wild Impossible primer, and look at the consistency. It is pretty thick consistency, but it is a silicone free primer, and it just fills in all my pores, and it keeps my face matte all day long. And I have dry skin, that's why I'm using it on my T-zone. If you have oily skin, this primer is a must have. Trust me, it just keeps your oil at bay throughout the day. And now I am taking my L.A.Girl orange and yellow color correctors, and I mixed them in equal quantity, and I am just color correcting my under eye area as well as wherever I have pigmentation. For me, basically it's my mouth area. If you do not have hyperpigmentation, you can totally skip this step. For my foundation today, I am using my favorite Maybelline Super Stay, and I'm just buffing it in using the same damp sponge. This foundation, you guys, it gives you a full coverage, it lasts all day long. No matter how much you sweat, or like, it just lasts throughout the day. And for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same e.l.f. concealer, and I'm applying it underneath my eyes, around my mouth, on my nose, on the center of my forehead, and I'm just blending it out using the same damp sponge. Since I have pretty like dry skin, I'm using the hydrating version of this concealer. They have a regular version as well, and I use the shade medium beige in the regular version. If you have really oily skin or oily under eye area, you can totally go ahead and use that regular Camo concealer. And now I'm just setting my under eye area as well as my smile line using the same Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. And to set my entire makeup, I am using this Wet n Wild compact powder, and I'm just setting my entire makeup. For my contour today, I am using this Revolution Pro bronzer in the shade Cacao, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face using this brush from Wet n Wild. And the formula of this particular bronzer is so good, they last all day long. Once it is on, it does not move, does not go anywhere. The formula is very long lasting, and this particular shade is like a little cool toned and a little dark for me, so I use it as my contour shade. I do not use it as my bronzer shade. Now I am using my Milani blush in the shade Sunset Passion, and I am just popping it in right here. Again, these blushes are so good and they are long lasting. For my highlighter, I'm going with my Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face, and I want that beaming highlight. That's why it's intense, but if you do not like a beaming highlight, you can definitely tone it down. To set my entire makeup in place, I'm using my NYX Matte Finish setting spray, again my all-time favorite. And now I am just applying that same purple eyeliner on my waterline, and taking that purple eyeshadow, matte purple eyeshadow, I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. Now I am taking that matte brown eyeshadow, I'm just smudging out the border of the previous shade, and I'm highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using the same Maybelline highlighter. I'm curling my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. And for my falsies, I will be using these Kiss lashes in the style Midnight Off Camera. And for my lips today, I am first lining my lips using my Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Totally Toffee. It's a beautiful formula. It just like keeps your lipstick in place all day long. And for my lips, I'm using my Maybelline Superstay in the shade Amazonian. It's a beautiful brown nude lipstick, and you know, the formula is so good and it lasts all day long. And that is pretty much it. And here is the completed look. I really liked that eye makeup. I do not know about you, but I like a little colorful looks, and this look was like my favorite, and the color combination was, according to me, pretty good and wearable at the same time. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below, and if you recreate any of my looks, then feel free to tag me on Insta. The link will be given in the description bar down below, so do not forget to check it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, see you soon in my next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care. Bye.